Okay, children, do you understand that previous video? Yes, that is about finally what Tommy says. He says that it is not about the mechanical teacher, but about the real teacher. Okay, it's about a real teacher who is a human. And then Margie was asking, she does not want any stranger to be there in her house. For that, Tommy said, no, the teacher will not come to your home. Instead, all the teacher and the children will be going to a special building called as school. Okay, then let us see what happens. And now Margie is asking to Tommy whether all the kids will learn the same thing. Okay, and then he said, yes, if they were of same age. Immediately Margie says, but my mom says each and every teacher has to be adjusted according to the mindset of a boy or a girl. Isn't it? Because each kid has one mechanical teacher. According to that student only, they will set the mechanical teacher, isn't it? So now Margie is asking how human will handle all the children at a time. Okay. Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly. So now Tommy got really angry. He said, it is like that only. The human will adapt to the mindset of each and every children. If you want to read the book, read it or else go. Okay. And immediately Margie said, see, I didn't say I didn't like it. And quickly she wanted to read about those funny schools because it is very new to Margie, isn't it? She did not expect the school to be like this. For her, school is just a room where mechanical teacher will be there and only she will be there learning. So she is very much eager to learn more about this funny school. Okay. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie, school. So Margie looked up. When Margie was reading about this school, which they had earlier, Margie's mother was calling her. Okay, so it's time for school. So come, we just have to go and attend your school. Even it's time for Tommy also. Let him go to school as well. Margie mother says. Okay, so now Margie and said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Because she wants to know more about the school which they had earlier, isn't it? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Okay, now he just take the book and he just went casually whistling. Okay, he says maybe if time permits, we'll just read the book again. Now Margie went to the school room. So where was the school room? It was just next to her bedroom. Okay, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. So it was the same, okay, every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. What is that? So if you are learning at normal schools, will be coming to school by 8:30 and you'll be going home by 5 o'clock, isn't it? That is a regular school hours, learning hours. But at home, we cannot expect that. So Margie's mother said, if you have this regular learning hours, you will be learning in a better way. That is why her mother used to have set proper timing for Margie to learn, except Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, and then now the screen was lit up. Lit up means on. The screen was on and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on addition of proper fractions. So what is the lesson she's going to learn that day from mechanical teacher? Addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So what she says, you have completed the yesterday's homework, so please insert in the slot and the mechanical teacher will check it. Okay. So Margie just did it, but she don't like to sit there in the school which was happening there with the mechanical teacher. She was keeping on thinking about the school which they had earlier. Okay, she was just thinking about the old one, old day school, which the grandfather was a little boy they had. So she was just thinking that all the kids from the neighborhood, they will come, they will learn, they will laugh, they will shout, they will sit together in the classroom, they'll go home together by the end of the day. So they learn the same things so that they can help each other. That is what we are doing now, isn't it? You have to help each other. Okay, learning is sharing. Share what you have learned, isn't it? So the teachers were people. So everything she was just thinking again and again, and she was wondering, and she want that school. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when she was just thinking, the mechanical teacher was started a class. Okay, so she just said, when we add 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So the mechanical teacher was teaching, but what about Margie? Is she listening? No. She was just thinking about the school which was in the olden days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Okay. See here, and the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Okay. See, do you understand this story, children? Here are some key points for you. What is the difference between the present school and the old school? Sorry, and the future school. See here, the first one will be like materials, then the teachers, then classrooms and homework contests. So materials in the sense, present school we have book, isn't it? The normal book which you are learning now. But future school, they will have only e-book, where only you can just turn the screen, the pages on the screen. Then the teachers, present school teacher is a human. Okay, they can, it's a real man. They can communicate, emotional, isn't it? But what about future school? It's a robo. Okay, it's a mechanical teacher. Okay, classroom. See, present classroom is, we'll be learning in a school, in a building where many students will be there with you. But in future school, only you will be there in your house. You'll be learning all alone. Okay, you could not talk with any other kid. And homework and test, we have the exams on writing on test papers, isn't it? But future school, you have to just, in the computer, you have to type everything and you have to just put in the slot. So this is what we have learned. And they're just comparing between the school we have now and the school will be in a future. So this is a summary of this. See, school in the future will be very bad, isn't it? School nowadays is very good and the people have much fun. For example, in line Margie says, I hate school. And in the last two lines is written, Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in olden days, isn't it? So even the author also says, I think that school nowadays is better than the story. In the future, in the school as described by Asimov, the social aspect is lost. The communication is lost, isn't it? There is no forms anymore. Everybody sits in front of his computer and the pupils cannot learn together. So, but the school now is good, isn't it? Because everyone can just sit and learn together. And most nobody today would say that he likes school. But there are many problems like forms with too many pupils. Okay. So here, which is the better one? Nowadays school or the future school? Yes, the school which we have now. Here you can see, no, the robo. This robo name is Sophia. Okay, it is a social humanoid robo. This became the Saudi Arabian citizen in October 2017. Okay, so this is the first robo to receive the citizenship of any country. In November 2017, Sophia was named the United Nations Development Program's first ever innovation champion and the first non-human to be given any United Nations title. Here is the punch tape. Okay, punch tape or perforated tape is a form of data storage consisting of long strip of paper in which holes are punched to store the data. Understood, children? I hope you understood this lesson. So read the lesson once, and I've attached a PDF along with this. Copy the contents in the classwork and learn it. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a blessed day.